Today we're going to show you the unboxing and installation of the Kohler Highline Arc Chair Height Toilet. This is in biscuit, had to be special ordered. Can't find biscuit in the store anymore, so let's get started. Highline Arc in biscuit. Well, it's well packed, we'll give them that. Got our tank lid. Got our cute little tank. We give some basic installation instructions. One thing nice about this kit is it does have everything that you need all in one box. Oh, look at that, a creepy crawly. Right from the factory. We'll let it go on today. No, go get our instructions. It's like it comes with a basic wax ring, bolts included. Slow close toilet seat. And notice the California customers only if you live in California, cancer and reproductive harm. We live in California. And lastly, that's it. It's what comes in the box. Thank you, Kobe. Are you helping? So it looks like we got our tank, our toilet base, seat, wax ring, and bolts. Let's get the old toilet out. Did you get more out? Like they come with some pretty nice hardware here. This little feller goes in there. It's no instructions, but there you go. So the first thing we want to do is pop off these little caps, and normally you can just take your screwdriver and pop the cap off. On the toilet, on each side you're going to find a bolt. Now in our case, they're 9/16. So when you're at the front of the toilet looking towards the back, in order to loosen the toilet bolt, you're going to push towards the back of the toilet on the right side. It is. On the left side of the toilet, you're going to be pulling back towards you as you loosen this bolt. So this is kind of a pro tip, really, because these valves that control the water to the toilet, you know, they sit here for 5, even 10 years and nobody touches them. So what'll happen if I try to close this right now is it'll start leaking. And then, you know, in plumbing, when you replace one thing, you just keep replacing stuff. So what we normally do, instead of closing this valve, I'll shut the water off at the source. So let's do that. So first thing you want to do is drain the water out of the tank by flushing the toilet. We like to use a vacuum to get the remainder of the water out. Just saves on making a mess in the house. And vacuum. And scalpel. So underneath, to disconnect the water source, is just this nut. You're going to turn it left, lefty-loosey, usually just hand tight. We also like to put a bag under the toilet just to keep any drips from going throughout the house, right? Doesn't look too bad, actually. We're going to take the tank off so that it's not so heavy. Just pull it straight. Perfect. Really, the weight of the toilet, half of it is in the tank. So if you take the tank off first, you're going to be dealing with half the weight. It's better for your bag. After we pull the toilet out, you need to get the wax ring out, clean everything up, and then you'll be ready to put in your new wax ring and your new toilet. Hey, we did it. Yeah, sometimes you just need a wind, you know?
Sometimes you see what?
A wind.
A wind.
Now we'll get it in the water. First startup, and so far no leaks. And the water looks pretty clear, actually. Happy to see that. One thing we did notice on both of these Kohler toilets that we've put in is this hose comes slightly too long from the factory. Can you see how it's pinched right there? What that does is the function of refilling the toilet bowl is slowed down because this is hindering the water flow. So we're going to cut off about 1 inch off of this tube, and that'll ease this curve. So to do that, first we're going to pull this tube off of the center. You can cut this with the razor blade or anything you might have. So you're looking to cut about that much off, just about an inch. Now when we hook this tube back up, it's going to ease. It's going to ease that corner, see? Now it has a nice soft curve. Instead of being pinched there, this is going to allow the toilet bowl to fill as it should. That's going to do it for putting in this Kohler Biscuit Highline Arc Chair Height Toilet. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We might be doing a review on this toilet in the future. This is the second one that we've put in. So far, we've been happy with them. We'll see you on the next video.